How to change map visibility in Strava. Now, in order to do that, you just simply need to open your profile and open activity where you want to change the map visibility. In order to do that, let's go to this activity right here, and in here just simply tap to the three dots from the top right corner. From there, you will get the option of edit map visibility. Tap to edit map visibility, and then you will get this page. Now from here you can change a lot of things. You just simply need to go over manage privacy settings at very first, and now you will directly get the option of map visibility. Tap into that under additional controls, and after tapping in there you will get three options. Just simply choose the suitable option to change in order to change your map visibility in Strava, and after selecting any option it will be set here. Just simply select the distance in here, and after that tap to save button, and your map visibility will be changed or saved.